Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you one of the most requested, sought after unboxings for quite a while, I imagine.
Which is a bit of an odd one, considering, you know, we do gold, silver, platinum, palladium, we do quite a variety of metals. And one of our most requested ones lately is not one of those at all.
I always tell everyone we do the five precious metals. And here we are, not doing the 5 precious metals.
That's it. And, it's actually kind of the one we worry about. You know, if we're doing an XRF test or something like that, if we see this one normally, we go, hang on a minute, something is not right. So yeah, very, very odd to see us getting excited over these. But yeah, people have been very interested in these. We are talking about the Germania Mint copper bars. These are kind of... They slot into a very niche kind of way of stacking or something like that, because we've said this many times in the lead up to this unboxing that these are not a cheap way to stack copper.
Stacking pennies.
Stacking pennies.
Going down to Bunnings and buying a length of copper pipe.
That's it.
I actually haven't done the numbers yet, so I actually don't know what the pricing on this is going to be.
Down there, so.
Upside down, Miss Jane?
Yeah, there we go.
Here we go. So they come in boxes of 5. Doesn't mean you have to buy a full box of 5. You've got to take your hat off to Germania. I'm going to get a glove.
Yeah, so these, like I said, they're not an efficient way, a cost-effective way of stacking copper, but they are kind of just
presentation of a, and these are shrink wrapped, and I'm still getting a glove out. But let's start off with the box. Look at the quality of and the presentation on just the cardboard box. That's the wrapper on the outside, and then you come to the copper bar itself. So you got the Germania logo, Germania Mint across the top, purity, weight, fine copper, and serialized bar, all shrink wrapped. With the hologram on the back. They are absolutely stunning. Just a beautiful bar.
But no, I don't think it matters how many times we've said or will say in this video that they are, a pricey way of doing things. I don't think it matters, but I will probably still pick one of these up for myself.
It's a great way to get interest in your stack.
That's it.
It's also, look, we talk about how much of you'd be better off collecting copper pipe. The thing is, you're still getting an investment grade, pure copper that is recognised around the world, as opposed to your scrap tube of copper that you've actually got to pay, all the extra taxes and garbage and all that sort of stuff on. So, look, it's still not a bad way to get it. The reason I'm rapping through these really quickly is I believe that one of these boxes also holds 10-ounce bars.
Hey, exciting.
They're a great, interesting piece. And let's face it, you have your stack because you're investing, but you also have it to get pleasure out of it. And this is part of that fun section of pleasure. I think this is going to make a liar out of me. These are all kilo bars. So they're all kilo bars all the way through.
There we go.
Alrighty. We knew there was more in there, we just had to find it. So
didn't dig quite enough.
That's right. So in here, if a kilo is a bit more than your cup of tea.
Copper tea,
yeah, correct. Good on you. We also brought in some 10-ounce bars, which are the coolest of cool. Same great packaging, obviously on a smaller scale. And then that beautiful coppery, it looks better on the black there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful coppery bar in the 10-ounce size. So the same as any other precious metal. The smaller you go in size, the dearer it becomes on a per ounce or per gram basis. So from that perspective, it'll be slightly dearer again. But if you just want to spring a smaller amount in total and still have a really cool copper bar in your stack, we have the 10-ounce, very limited numbers. I think there's only 30 of them. So a very limited number of 10 ounces in stock as well. Grab them while you can. So we have them in. One of the most, I'd have to say for quite a while, one of the most requested items that we pushed back on for ages, but we now have them in. And they really are, they're a beautiful design. They are not, you don't look at the spot price of copper. It's not going to be anywhere near a kilo spot price of copper. You're looking at, you know, several times more than that. Still going to be cheaper to buy them new from us than, you know, say sourcing it off eBay or something along those lines, because the copper bars on there are quite expensive. But yeah, absolutely stunning bars. Incredibly well produced by Germania, yet again, you know, kicking goals. They just produce such a quality product. And they've got an incredible brand name. They are also LBMA registered now. So if you're in the market for a copper bar, this is the one to buy.
Yeah.
So don't take away that we're, you know, doing anything or getting in a dodgy brand or anything like that. We're not. This is the way to buy copper bars. If you want to buy copper bars, they are really good and just stunningly beautiful.
It's just a very weird colour to see on this bench. It's not one I'm used to seeing, but no, it's still very cool nonetheless.
And we'll make sure they don't rub up against any of the gold or the silver, so it drops our XRF.
Yeah, I wonder if anyone will get us to XRF these when they pick them up.
Absolutely, they should. I would be.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Make sure there's no silver, gold, or leathers hiding in there.
That's right. All right, that's it for now. So grab them. There'll be a link down below to go to our website and grab them while you can. I strongly suspect this is a one-off order. I don't think we're going to do this again. We're really doing this just to keep the Bullion Now family happy. So if you are in the market for it, if it is something you want, grab them sooner rather than later, because I don't believe I'll ever bring them in again.
See how fast they go. We'll see.
That's right. I've said never before. All right, that's it for now. We'll talk again real soon. See ya.